I must keep going. Just one more ridge. I can't. I won't give up. Keep moving. Keep going. Find the path out. Keep moving. Not much time left. The signal's getting weaker. I need to find the transmitter now. Digging the foundation. All right, that's the peak secured. Good work. Almost there.
Just a little deeper.
Got it. The wall holds. We're safe for now. Barely. But it's better than nothing. I've found it. Move in. -30 degrees Celsius. Deadly cold. Almost there.
Keep crawling.
Zipper it.
Got it. Okay.
We're safe. Day 3. Supplies are low. Morale is holding. Where is it? It has to be here.
There.
I can't see it through this snow.
There. Yes.
This way. No. Not giving up. I have to make it.
You must continue!
One step at a time. I think it's just a project about a man walking through a storm. I found it. I found the target. Thank God. I've got to clear this foundation, no matter what. All right. This one's the perfect fit. Just got to get it in there. God, that was close. What a night. All right. This should be enough to keep the chill away.
It's dropping fast.
At this rate, we have hours. Time to recharge. I can do this. The storm won't let up. We'll have to wait here for now. I can see the lights. Keep moving. I have to dig deeper, it's getting too cold. Hurry! The storm's moving in fast. Almost done with this layer.
No.
Careful with that one. I'm thinking we need to reinforce this section here. If we don't fix this, the whole thing will come down. Seems all right. A tight fit, but it'll hold. All right, that should do it. All right. This is the spot. Need to clear this out first. I heard something. Get inside, now. I found it. Over here. The passage is open. Time to recharge. Whatever you are, you're not getting through this.
Are you sure about that?
No. 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 Run. I've got to find a way through this. It's freezing. There's got to be a way out. Almost there. Just a little further. Keep moving. I've been searching my whole life for this place.
Where do we go now?
To the setting sun. That was too close.
What do you think you saw?
A branch came right down near me. I've found it. Right here. I needed this. Need to make it thicker here. Keep the wind out.
Whoa!
Solid now.
The warmth from this fire is exactly what I needed.
It certainly is. The night is cold. God, I needed that.
I can't see a thing. Which way?
It's pointing north. Move. Now. I made it. Barely. About time. Ah. That hits the spot. Keep this handy. It's colder than I thought.
Will it be enough?
Keep pushing. Just a few more steps. Almost there. Somewhere in here. It has to be close. All right, that's the base layer. Now to spread it out.
Looks pretty dense now.
Perfect. Ready for a decent night's sleep. The joints are perfect. Let's lock this in.
Looks solid. Good work.
Ah. That is exactly what I needed. Time for a break. Feels good to get this set up. I can't feel my legs anymore. I have to keep going. I have to find it. I must find shelter. Just a little further. Almost there. Keep pushing. Almost finished. Just need to check the entrance.